Go fetch with Bob Dog. I'm training to be an underground toy finder. Let's go! Whoa-ho-ho! My first challenge is to find all my pink balls. Like this. All right, now you fetch. Tap the toy you want me to pick up. Bow wow, a pink ball. You can put that in my bowl.
Good fetching!
A new toy. Whoa-ho-ho! The timer is up here. Put the plain yellow bone in my bowl.
Go fetch!
Thank you for coaching me, Penguin Referee. Whoops, that's not what I was looking for. Ooh, I see my do-anything bone down there. Grab it, see how it works. My do-anything bone. It will fetch toys for me.
Focus. Fetching complete.
Yay, we got a hot dog squeaky toy.
You got 3 stars.
Bow wowie. Whoa-ho-ho. Put the plain purple rope toy in my bowl.
All right, it's go fetch time. Yes!
A magnet. This will dig out the toys for me.
Yes! Nice job! Proud of you.
We got a starry ball.
You got 3 stars.
Woohoo! Whoa-ho-ho! Put the polka dot pink football in my bowl.
Ready, set, go fetch! Try again. Good. Proud of you.
Hey, we got a me-to-me fetch ball.
You got 3 stars.
Oh yeah! Whoa-ho-ho! Put the plain yellow ball in my bowl.
Go fetch!
X-ray goggles. These will help me see only the toys I'm looking for.
Focus.
My goggles are running out of batteries.
Good! Fetching complete.
Ooh, we got a newspaper.
You got 3 stars.
Celebration time! Now you can play with all the toys. Tap or drag to see what happens. Celebration time! Now you can play with all the toys. Tap or drag to see what happens. Celebration time! Now you can play with all the toys. Tap or drag to see what happens.